morning, guys. Hello. Can you guys see me and hear me? Happy Wednesday. Morning. Ooh. Ooh, what happened? Damn. What an ugly reaction there. What just happened? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a perfect reaction on SPY. Perfect reaction on SPY. NVIDIA is tanking? NVIDIA is ripping. NVIDIA is ripping. That's weird. Okay. Like always, let's not have FOMO and wait for good entries, right? Let's be patient here and wait for good entries. Damn, Spencer, you trade fast. I would have never taken that SPY reaction. That was too early, too fast. But congrats. Congrats. Morning, morning. The Q is holding very good, and that's NVIDIA. Yeah, happy hump day. I know, right? Happy hump day. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. I like that. I like this Q hold. I really like this Q hold. NVIDIA rejected to 26. But like I said, we need to be patient here and really wait and see what the market is gonna do. At least what the Q is gonna do, because the Q it's holding very good. SPY definitely very weak compared to the Q. So very mixy market. I don't like when the market is like that because most of the time it's difficult to trade. You think the market is going to one way and then turns around and it's going to the other side or the other way. So yeah, let's be patient here. Apple needs to hold yesterday high to be bullish today. Look at SPY. What's going on with SPY? Ooh, this is the entry on the Q. The rejection of 459 plus rejection of the VWAP. That was the entry on the Q. Let's see if we have a little bounce here and rejects the VWAP again. Let me take this out so it's easier to see what's going on. But yeah, the Q is still inside the downtrend. With this rejection, how the candlestick closed yesterday, I really thought we were gonna break out of this downtrend on SPY and the Q. We had news? What news? I know we had CPI, but CPI was like 1 hour ago. Okay, I'm trying Q here. Oops. 5. Q reaction here. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be a strong break of the VWAP. Dang it, like that one. I don't like that one. Okay, I'm out. If this thing closes under the VWAP, I'm gonna die. Let's see if Siri options are working now. Nope. They are wordless. Why? I know they have like split or they merge with another company or something like that, but options, my options are down like 100%. Like they're not working. Whatever. Whatever. So today I'm trading with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 150k accounts and 1, 2, 3 50k accounts from Apex. They are PAs. NVIDIA is very strong, very, very strong. Look at that reaction. That is definitely choppy. So what I'm seeing here is like, it looks like the market like at least the Q wants to go down, but maybe because of NVIDIA, it's having a hard time having continuation to the downside. No, I haven't had any problems. In fact, I got paid yesterday. Okay, see how these candlesticks are reacting? This is a clear way of knowing that the market is acting weird, that it's choppy. And I really, really like this reaction here, but I don't like how the market is moving right now. I'm gonna try it one more time. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be this high here. Let's see if this time we have a continuation here. Okay. I definitely like that. Yeah, NVIDIA is pulling back. That's why the Q is looking a little bit more bearish than before. But NVIDIA is still holding. We need a bigger pullback on NVIDIA. Damn. Okay, I'm out. And I also took it with my funded futures, and here is took the exactly same trade but with more size. I don't know. I don't like how the market is moving today. And I think it's that. I think it's because it's definitely bearish, but NVIDIA is holding too good. That's what it was messing up with the Q here. Now NVIDIA is pulling back and look how the Q is dying. Yeah, it was tricky. I'm not gonna say it was easy, like it was very tricky. Very, very tricky. Look at that, look at how it's bouncing now. Yeah, it was very tricky. How much is it? 2, 4, 6, 8. It's like 12K here, I think so. Maybe a little bit more. Ooh, if NVIDIA goes under 1010, the Q is gonna die. Like, it's gonna die hard. Is this a bear flag here on the Q? Are we looking at a bear flag here? Like that, like this. Maybe. NVIDIA is still holding the view up. You guys watched the debate last night? I didn't. I completely forgot about it. And then when I saw everyone talking about it on IG and X, it was too late. I was watching a very good movie, so I honestly don't like debates because most of the time the candidates don't really answer anything. They just fight and talk bad about the other one. They never talk about like real problems. It was great? Tell me about it. What happened? I saw a lot of people saying that Kamala killed it. I don't know. I was expecting for Trump to be very good at that. He loves to talk. A bull's building a flag? But depend, bull or bear flag? Which video were you watching? Spencer? She did good? I honestly was not expecting Kamala to do good. Ooh, look at these. Look at that. What a move. But I'm honestly happy that I took profits fast, because we had no indication that the market was gonna keep going lower. Now, like I said, the Q is dying because NVIDIA is dying. But today was tricky. Like, why we had that huge move on NVIDIA to the upside, and look how ugly it's looking right now. Look at that daily candle. That daily candle is looking ugly as fuck. Like, so ugly. Looking very bearish. September so far, looking beautiful. Over 100k already, and I haven't finished to add everything that we made today. So we're looking awesome. Morning. Morning. Oh, how to make 100? Oh, you're watching that because you got the PDF, right? The free guide, the free options guide, right? Yeah, by the way, guys, if you don't have it, definitely worth watching. I'm gonna update it and add more info, I think this week, but definitely worth reading and watching the videos that I put there. This one. Really? Taylor Swift and there's Kamala? Do you guys think Kamala is gonna win? We shouldn't be talking about politicians, but I think this country needs somebody right now like Trump, even though I don't like him. I mean, I come from a communist country, and that's how the communists start, promising that giving everything free to everyone, which that doesn't work. We need to work for everything to earn. We need to work so we can earn our things. Like free everything, it just doesn't work, especially on a country so big like the US. There is only one, maybe two countries in the entire world that are communist, but it really are like good, like everything really works out. I think it's like Finland or something like that. But whatever, let's not talk about that because there's a big debate. Let's talk about trading. Let's talk about making money. Okay, NVIDIA is holding yesterday high, which is bullish, but it's still under the VWAP. I don't care if Trump went bankruptcy 8 times. Like, you know, like billionaires do that on purpose when they have a bad business, because that way they save money because they write off those taxes. That's a trick to save money. Like, trust me, when you have a business, you understand all those little tricks. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Spencer. that is not dishonest. That is just using the law in your favor. That is not dishonest at all. Yeah, it's the same, Carla. It's the same. Yes. But okay, let's talk about trading. Let's talk about trading. I think I'm a little bit lost doing this. Yeah. Okay, the good thing is like whenever I add something that you already added, TradeZilla doesn't take it. So we're good. Let's see, 6. Okay, we're done here. Almost 12K. 171,000 so far trading futures this month. So Pretty happy. Pretty happy. Beautiful, beautiful month. Tesla calls? I'm not taking calls on anything. I'm not taking calls on anything. Look at the market. Look at what the market is doing right now. No, I don't trade gold. Only ES and NQ. Okay, so SPY is pretty much near yesterday's low, which is a very important level here. It's all these pretty much. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. If not, we still have this gap from last week, and I might maybe fill that gap, maybe. Everything is looking very weak. Everything. Ooh, NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA it's breaking yesterday's high. If we see a clear break and retest there, that can be a good trade to the downside. I'm not gonna take any more trades, but I can definitely see how NVIDIA is getting weaker, and that's a key level to hold for NVIDIA to hold today if we wanted to see NVIDIA bullish. But again, I'm not trading that. I'm not trading that. We could have a little bounce here on SPY. NVIDIA really needs to hold there. XLF. Why? That's banks, right? Why are banks doing so bad? Do we have any news there? Apple also rejecting yesterday high, which is really bearish. Same thing with Microsoft, and Meta is looking very weak. Look at those. Look at these Meta daily candles. Look at this. My computer is so slow today, I don't know why. I don't know, it's crazy slow. Oh, working. But yeah, look at these candlesticks here on Meta. That's the daily chart. That is super bearish. Nothing bullish here. Nothing. In fact, it looks like it wants to go and make another leg lower. Oof, we're breaking another level here. Yeah, it looks like SPY's gonna go for that gap. A bounce here, and then rejection could be a good entry for a little scalp here to the downside. So now we have this level here that we want to see acting as resistance if we are holding any puts, or if you guys want to play a rejection here. What a move from SMCI. What a fake out. That was funny. What a fake out. Ooh, SMH looking definitely like a bear flag. Ooh, this is a clean bear flag. Bear flag. Jesus, this market is just dead. Anyone still in puts? If it loses 220, this thing is done so. September is the worst month? Is it like super bearish month? So far it's my best month with futures. So far. I don't want to speak too early because yesterday I said that I was having an amazing last few days, no red days, and yesterday morning, I had my first red day, but I managed to turn it around later in the day, but yeah. So I don't want to say anything about the red color. I don't want to see that. At least not on my TradeZilla and on my brokers. All I want to see is this. All I want to win, 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 no matter what. No, not bullish or bearish. I just trade whatever the market is giving me. I don't try to guess what's gonna happen. Nobody can. Guys, I think I'm done. Maybe because, sure, Greg, I might do a video about this or a course, maybe, about trading psychology. I think it's because I said it yesterday. I'm kind of used to having my first trade red. I don't know why. Like, it's been like that. I mean, you guys have seen me trading here, and a lot of times, I don't know why. Not a lot of times, but yeah, kind of. But yeah, kind of. My first trade is red. And I guess I've been doing this for so long that I'm kind of used to that. I know that those numbers or those red numbers, I can gain them back like pretty easily, right? I don't know if Trade-O-Bait has a desk version, to be honest. Those TradeZilla amounts, yeah. Everything I put here is what I can apply for payment with the firms that I'm using. So this month I've been using a few of my Apex accounts and a few of my my funded futures accounts. Oh, and remember, I have 3 funded accounts and 1 eval on my funded futures. I need to take out one of these 2000k trades. I forgot about that. Let me take it out right now. 2005. One of these ones, right? So let me take out one of these. Delete. Yeah, 10k pretty much. $10,000 $1,000 for the day. Okay, so yeah, it just the thing is like trusting your levels. That's it. It's like, again, it gets to a point that I kind of go blindly. Well, not blindly, because you guys always see me saying how I'm entering here if I see an ugly candle, or if I see a reaction, or by getting out of this, it breaks the view up. So I'm basically using the class that I give you guys on Friday, that I'm gonna be posting that video, that only the class on Friday, like in 2 days. I'm working on that video, so I'm posting that class alone on Friday, so make sure to watch it and give it some love to that video. So yeah, basically this trade again is exactly the same thing that I talk about in the class, right? So using the VWAP, keeping in mind what's the trend, right? Looking the candlesticks and trusting my levels. That's it. Does always works? No, but most of the time, yes. So it's just, I'm just confident on my skill, because I know it works. The problem that I see, like whenever I do my mentoring, and I have one-on-one classes with you guys on my mentoring, what most of the time I always get, like, I have so much problem holding my winners, or I gotta stop out really easy. Most of the time the problem is not your stop loss, is not that you're not holding your runners long enough. Most of the time is you have no idea how to do the levels, like you have bad levels. Even yesterday I got a message from one of you guys, and the message was pretty much like, I don't understand why, but I got stopped out from this trade. And when I saw that picture, I was like, yeah, you had a bad entry. Like he thought he had a bad stop loss, but when I saw that picture where he entered, it was, you had a bad entry. Like, that is not an entry. Like, why did you enter there? It's too far from the resistance, and it's not, and you entered on a bullish candlestick, and he was trying to play puts. So it's not your stop loss, it's your entry. You had a bad entry. So keep in mind that whenever you're trading, is that, like, think about it. It's really that you're not you're having a bad stop loss, or you're entering late or too early, which that can happen. Like, obviously nobody's perfect, but with practice and guidance, you'll get there. Yeah, so the thing with trading is, like, you need a lot of practice, and that comes with losing money, because I honestly don't believe that paper trading is gonna help you at all. I honestly think that paper trading is a waste of time, unless because it's a waste of time, because I think it's extremely easy to hold plays that are not real money, just like evals. I got so many people DMing me, like I said, they said, like, I can pass evals like nothing, but the minute I get a funded account, I blew it up. Why? Because emotions. That's it. Like, there's something about it. Like, we know, like, if I trade on an eval I'm not really losing like 3K. It's just their like fake money, right? But whenever we enter a trade that we know we can really make money, like for real, or lose money, we get all nervous and start to think about like, what if this happened or this happened, or yeah. And then we get out too fast, or we get out on really like C minus setups, not A plus setups. So like I said, trading is all about a lot of practice, but if you can have the right guidance, that like, it took me like, I've been trading for like 8 years, I think, or 7, 8, or let's just say 8. But it took me so many years to master this skill. Like, if I ever had a coach or something like, or a mentor, I would have saved so much time and money. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to trading, if you save time, you definitely save money. Unless you want to just keep losing for like 5 years or 3 or 4, you're definitely gonna lose money your first year, like no matter what. I don't know any trader that didn't lose for at least 2 years. Obviously, you can, like, maybe you can do it like in 1 year, but it's difficult. It's very difficult. It is. This trading is not easy. Like, it's not easy. You gotta have a lot of discipline. You gotta be really, really, really patient. And yeah, not give up. Oh, thank you, John. Thank you. So yeah, I know you guys can do it. So don't give up and keep trying, keep learning, keep asking questions. And just keep doing it. But be rational, right? Don't try to make money in like 1 day, 1 year, or 1 month. It's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. So, the most common question that I have is how to hold runners longer, how to do the levels, and what's the other one? Oh yeah, how I do my stop loss. So, you guys want me to do classes like I did on Friday for those questions? Ooh, we didn't have here any bounce on SPY. SPY filled the gap. Ooh, this Friday low is very, very important now. It's crazy important. it was support here in the past, support on Friday. Are we gonna lose that today? I still don't know why we had such a bad red reaction in the morning here. Maybe it was because CPI? Maybe? Was CPI bad today? Like really, really bad? Why are banks dying? So, if you have problems with levels because you're saying you have too many and you lose sight of the important ones, so if you know what are the important ones, don't put the other ones. But for me to do more of those videos, I need you guys to show me some love on those videos. Comments, likes. Because otherwise, I feel like I'm wasting my time. And it might look easy, but making YouTube videos, it's not that easy. It's kind of hard. You love me from the bottom of my heart? That's not enough. I want fact. I want real love, which is for me, it means comments and likes on those videos. Yeah, but why financials are so bad today? Are we where, Juan? We there yet? Where? We could definitely see a bounce here, right? 540? Very important for the Q. Very. I'm sorry, for SPY. Friday is low. If SPY loses 540, like, it's bad. Still today was bad. Look at this engulfing candle, right? We have an engulfing bearish candle. We still have a clear downside on SPY, on the Q2. So we're on a bearish market. So what do we do on bearish market? We play the downside. We play rejection. We play at resistance. We wait for bounces and then we play rejections. That's it. That's how we catch bigger move. We're not trying to catch a little bounce at support on a bearish market. Yesterday is a good example for me, right? I don't remember what I was trying. Oh, I was trying to go long yesterday when I got red. We're short. I think I did both sides, trying to go short or long, but I was able to play this. I got green. I was green. Let me see what I posted yesterday. Oh, here. This was the level where I was able to, yeah, to go back to green yesterday. So we can see how this level here acted as support. Support, support, support. We finally broke it. And then I said I'm waiting for was waiting for this and player reaction. So I was able to go green with this little red candle here. That's it. Obviously, I thought we were having a continuation to the downside due to having a bearish market. But when I saw it was really trying to hold here, which I can see this level here. See, reaction, reaction, support. And then the next candle was really trying to hold there. I was like, I'm out. I'm green and out. Especially after seeing such a choppy. This doesn't look that choppy, but you guys remember how choppy it was in the morning. Like, it was very choppy here, and then we have a huge candle out of nowhere, and they was just chopping around pretty much all day. Today, definitely more cleaner, but also it was tricky because you have just one big candle right at open, which I don't like trading. I don't like trading like that. That's why I took the Q. Even though the Q was even more tricky because it was really, it faked me out here. It was really holding. It was really trying to bounce. But we have one big red candle and we have one bearish candle rejecting the VWAP and the 90 EMA and my 459 level. And then the next one, this candle here, it was the one that faked me out. It was having also a reaction at the same level and also the 90 EMA and the VWAP, and I entered in this one because I saw when this one started to open this candle, it was already rejecting same level here and also the VWAP and the 90 EMA. I was like, I'm gonna try it again. My stop loss is gonna be this little high here. So yeah, today it was tricky, but we got it. No, I don't talk about taxes because I'm not an accountant. I'm not even American, so I don't know how to deal with that. So all I do is I give it the info to my accountant, and she does whatever she needs to do, and I do whatever she told me to do. So I never gonna do a taxes video. So nobody should be doing that if you're not an accountant. I don't think any YouTuber is gonna do that because we can get in trouble. Also, it's something that I don't know, so I don't like giving info that I have no idea. Like, I don't know anything about it. I'm not even American. So taxes are something new for me. Okay, so yeah, this is 540 is the level to watch on the Q. I'm sorry, on SPY. So I've seen I know Desi is posting his recap videos on Whoop. Have you guys used Whoop? Do you guys like it? Because I was thinking of making a guide, kind of like a free course there. But I don't know if I want to post it on Whoop or directly on my Discord. And debating on that. Yeah, we have a spy holding here. Very, again, very important level here. We can have a little bounce here, maybe till here, 543, maybe 544 with the VWAP being there. So, yeah, that could be another good entry to take a reaction play right here. The VWAP, but the Qs, I would not take bounces here because the Q is, I'm sorry, SPY is very, very, very weak. I will wait for a bounce and then play a reaction here. So basically, again, we know what's the trend, we know what SPY is doing, we know if we take a little bounce here, it's definitely way more riskier than just having a little patience and waiting for a bounce and rejection here, because right here we have a clear level of resistance, we have the VWAP, so it's better to be patient than just do it right away. And if SPY just break this level and you had no bounce here and no reaction play here, it is what it is. Maybe tomorrow you get a good entry and that's it. Or maybe you wait for a strong break here, clear break, and then retest here and then down to another level, and that keeps going on and on and on. If you're away from chart, you should not be trading. Why asking me if 540 is holding if you're away from chart? You should not be trading. That is FOMO. That is 101 and what not to do when it comes to trading. Yes, I don't have pre-market on my bigger time frames, only on the 5-minute time frame. I only use a pre-market on the 5 minutes because we know that pre-market high and lows are important levels, right? To trade in the morning. But after that, after the first few hours, they're not important because most of the time it get touched the first few hours, even the first few minutes after the market opens. But yeah, you can see it. I have it here. This is my 5-minute time frame chart, and I have pre-market here, and I don't have anything on the 30 or the daily or weekly because that way I can see the gaps. Okay. Thanks. Gracias, Drupal. Okay, I got it. That is not the way to think about trading. I talked about this yesterday. Do not think about making money on trading. You need to 100% focus on the chart, on the setups, not on the money. Ooh, it's almost 11. Almost gone here from here, guys. I'm very hungry today. I don't know why. Yeah, I played Peekaboo last night in the rain. I'm gonna play today and tomorrow too. Sorry, yeah, I had the mic off. Okay, so I'm pretty much done today. So then I'm not gonna keep trading here, but you guys wait for either a bounce here and the rejection of these 544 levels, or the VWAP, which is pretty much the same here, same level here, 544, and then you play a rejection, or you wait for a strong break of 540 and then wait for a bounce and play the rejection there, and the next big support, I think it's 536. That's the one I have. Yeah, it's around 536, 535. That's the next big support here for SPY. But yeah, the downside continues. Yeah, like the bears are in control so far. We have some people had fun playing calls here in just one green day, 2 green days, but the reality is the market is bearish. So for me, no reason to go to play upside. The key is consistency. Look for, like, just end the day green, right? Like, obviously there's some days that we need to take advantage of the market. Like, when was it? I think it was Monday that it was a very easy 10k day that I had. I did it here with you guys. I think it was Monday, right? We have a very clean entry, and oh, it was Friday. It was Friday. Yeah, Friday we have a very clean rejection, and I pretty much hold the entire move to the downside, right? So yeah, we gotta take advantage of those days. And some days are like small greens. Like, I had a small green day here with Apex because I only took one contract with a 50k account, and I just play a little rejection, pretty much this candlestick, and that's it. And I had a bigger win with my funded futures because I was holding 3 contracts. I was with my funded futures a little bit more. I just go a little bit heavier with my funded futures, because my funded future has the end of the day drawdown, and it's only like 3 funded accounts and 1 eval, so I'm fine with that. Also, my funded future has this thing that if you have a drawdown of, they protect you from blowing up your account in just one day. So you have a cap of 1200, at least on the 50k account. So if I lose 1200, they just close my account for the day. So again, that's why I also can be a little bit more risky there. But yeah. Yeah, SPY, it's bouncing here. Remember to like the video. If you want to try futures, use my code for my funded futures and Apex. You guys have it on the screen. And yeah, see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye.